Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn what is cloud-based storage and where are the files actually stored. So what cloud-based storage actually means is that you can store your files and folder on a different server instead of your computer hard drive. It means now you don't need to store the files and folder in your computer, but rather than that, you can store your files and folder on the internet. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So, how the cloud storage works is you, as a user, upload your files like images, audio, or documents, or anything on the cloud. Then you can also retrieve them using your devices, or you can also share them. So you can retrieve them and access them through the devices like your laptop, your computer. In some cases, you can use your mobile as well. Now you can, like, let's say when you're working as a team, then you might need to share your documents or other things for review process. Then you can also do that using the cloud. So one of the common examples is the Google Drive. Using the Google Drive, you can store your files, you can also download them, or you can also view them, and you can also share them with other people. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned what is the cloud storage and where are the files actually stored. Thank you for watching.